Look at that beach. That's cool, huh? Can you see him?
Yeah, I see him. Joe's gonna come out with the shotgun.
Anyway, because the canal is so low, it's supposed to be, gosh, it is. It's more than 5 feet lower, because Alex is 6'4". Oh my. Check out this bass bed. My goodness, I gotta get a closer look. Here we go. So fish made that to lay its eggs in.
Yep, that was gonna be a big one too.
Okay, here it is. An hour later, and he's still out here fishing. Where? Turtle, I think. Hold on. I don't know what it is. I can't see because the sun's too bright. Can I shade the sun is the question.
Oh, he's gone.
Where? Oh.
No, it's a revolver.
It's a what? Oh, I thought you meant that turtle head right there.
It looks like a revolver.
Oh. Oh, that. Okay. All right, now we can see Alex because the sun's shining on his face.
Man, I had one. We got off.
For real? How big was it? Show. Show with your hands. How big? Oh, yeah.
Hey, now would be a good time to get that thing out of there.
Oh, yeah. Go get a semi, a backhoe, and pull it out, huh? Don't you think?
It is a bar. That's probably full of concrete. Yeah.
What did it used to be?
It used to be a pillar for the docks. See, there's one underneath there. I was picking up trash on the way.